Hey everybody, do you use apps on your phone? I know you do. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd Coons, and here I do a whole bunch of things related to photography. And recently I was contacted by the people at K&F Concept. They contacted me and said, hey, do you think you could check out our app and do a little video about it? Yep, the channel's starting to go somewhere, isn't it? And so I said, sure, I'd be happy to look at your app. They've got this app called BeenTo, okay? And I looked at this app and it's really kind of cool, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I think it's the kind of app that could help a lot of photographers. And I'm going to kind of walk through here. I'll be honest with you, I'm not a full-on expert on everything about this app because I've only been playing with it for a couple of weeks now. But when you get onto this app, you got to sign in, and you set your little thing up. Now, when you get into the app, there's a lot of things going on here, but one of the things is Explore, and I know this is one of the big things about this app. And you'll go and you'll see this map. Now, what you can do with this section is you can search for locations, you can mark the locations that you like to shoot at. I was recently on a photo shoot that I was in a new location, and you can mark the location on your map here as well as attach a photo with it. So if you ever wanted to go back and look at different locations you've been at, remember what you shot there, fantastic. The other thing, and you guys know that if you have photography friends, they're always asking, hey, do you know a good location to do XYZ? And you can share that with them and you can remember exactly where it was. So the great thing about the app is to be able to mark locations that you find. You know, sometimes it's a little tricky to get back to a spot. Maybe you've never been there before, so you want to mark it so you can remember where you were. But this is a perfect example of where I'm at today. I did an engagement shoot, had never been here before, but man, definitely a spot I would come back to, so I can mark it on the app and easily remembered. I can even post a photo from this photo shoot on that location. So if it's like, okay, why did I mark that? I have a quick reference to what I did there and like, oh yeah, I remember that beautiful spot that we did those engagement photos at. And yeah, it's just really neat because when it comes to finding locations, that's always a trick for photographers, right? The other thing I can do is I can share it with other photographers to say, hey, have you ever come here? Because we all know that we've had other photographers say to us, do you know a good place to do XYZ? And you can say, yeah, I've got this great spot. Let me share the location with you. So really great for that. So the location tracker part of this whole map thing and the way you can mark these locations is fantastic. Another thing you can do with this app that I like is that you can post your work and get comments and reactions from other photographers. Now, posting a photograph on here is pretty easy. It's pretty intuitive. Hit the post button and walk through the steps. One of the things that I really like about this that seems different from other sites that I've seen, other places to post your work, is that they have a section for tips. So you can say, the camera that you're using, the f-stop, the aperture, the things that you did. And if you ever run through here and see a photograph that you like, you can click on tips and the photographer will say, here's what I did to get this shot. Now, if you're new to photography, fantastic way to kind of learn, okay, how did they do that? They used a shallow depth of field, they dragged the shutter, they used a tripod, whatever. So hopefully the photographer will go through here and give some ideas and some tips as to how they captured that image. The other thing that's really nice about people posting their work is it's a great way to get inspiration. I don't know about you guys, but as far as inspiration for me, I've got to be going through other people's work to say, hey, I really like that. You just get ideas by looking at other people's work. You get motivated by people who do good work, and it's like, wow, look at this amazing image they did. I can do stuff like that, and it pushes you to be better. Now, the other thing that's cool is you can converse with other photographers. There's a messaging area, and I just got one from a guy named Oliver. Let's see what Oliver says. I'm delighted to connect with such remarkable, beautiful nature photos. I'm indeed intrigued to ask if the photos portrayed on your page are yours and available for purchase. How about that? That's interesting. It's an amazing little app right there in your hands to be inspired, to get ideas to do more things in your own photography. But the location thing, I think, is one of the biggest parts of this app. And you can search for locations, and like I said, you can pin your locations, put photos with those, so you can always remember. Like I said, I just did an engagement shoot up in the mountains. If I ever need to go back to that place, it was kind of a remote place. I hadn't been there before, but now I'll be able to remember where I was and how to get back there. Now, last but not least, one of the neat things about this app is as you go through it and you do different things, you can earn points. And as you earn points, you get different levels and you get points and stuff like that. And you can go to K&F Concepts and use those points towards equipment. Now, at first I was like, okay, is that a big deal? Are there certain things that I need? Listen, the people at K&F Concepts sent me something from their little catalog of products. They sent me this amazing tripod head. It's a geared tripod head. I'll probably talk about this more. But they really have some neat photo accessories and equipments. They've got filters. They've got tripod heads, tripods, bags. They've got some things that are of great value. The quality here, it's not cheap. This is a nice tripod head. So you can earn these points and go towards gear, which is always great. Now you're probably going to be showing your work and sharing it and getting on somewhere. You might as well do it here where you can be earning some points towards gear and towards things that you want. Neutral density filter, circular polarizer, a whole bunch of different things. Now the way to sign up for BeenTo is very simple. Go to the App Store, find the app itself, install it onto your device, and when you get in there and you register, it's going to ask you for an invitation code. Now let me read this correctly. Use invitation code BTTodd. That's the code they gave to me. Use that code. I think you get 100 points right off the bat just for using that invitation code. So you'll be well on your way to getting some points and being able to put that towards gear. Now everybody, when you go to this app and you install it, let me know what you think. I'd love to pass that information on to the people at K&F Concept. Leave me a comment. They'll read it. I'm sure they will. And let me know what you think. I'm sure they'd also like to know if you think, hey, it'd be better if the app had this or that, and make suggestions, because I'm sure they're always tweaking it and making it better. But I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for signing up for the app. Don't forget, BTTodd, use the code. And as always, I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next video.